Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. This puzzle will be special because this one has 9 printed digits. Looking forward for solving this one. In the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, it's actually today, Sunday, August the 11th today. It's the weekend edition of Saturday, August the 10th, 2024, and I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the last puzzle in this additional. The last puzzle in this additional will be number 9072. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've told you earlier, this one has 9 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 9. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Alright. Then my next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here, and there we have a dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Here, the 1 and the 2, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, insufficient information right now. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here, 2 triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box here is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have already here a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Here, triple box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. No quadra boxes. Well, not true. Here we have a quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the Z construction. If you mirror this or flip this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. More L shapes? Yeah. Yeah, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. With more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. Let me think. These 3 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surrounded the 3 can be a 3. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in the squash area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 3 goes there. Alright, now let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Alright, and now 2 and a 4. Need to think. Come on. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2. 2 or a... Well, this box can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. I need a 2, 3, 4 and a 5. I need a 4 and a 5. Okay, these two boxes can be a 4. We have a 4, double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Not helping me. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I need a 3. This box can be a 3. So the 3 should be there. 4 and a 5 here, okay. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, okay. This box, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a 2 in the same area, can be 3, could be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, okay. 1, 5, 2, okay. 1 and a 5. Yeah. Think. Come on, think. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 1, 3. Come on. 1, 5, 2, 4 or 3. Well, we have here, this box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, could be a 3, could be a 4, cannot be a 5, we have a double 5 there. Well, suppose it's a 3 here. That means that in this L-shaped area, these 3 boxes can be a 3. But also that box can also not be a 3. But we need a 3 in this L-shaped area. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be definitely a 4 here. Okay. It means that these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3. The 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area, 4 numbers 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there, 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Yeah, I want to, come on. This box, no, I need that number here. 1, 2, okay. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be a 2 goes in there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3 and a final 2 numbers for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, not faster than 15. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, we solve it again. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Not a 4, not a 3. It's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, not this is the last one. In the evening, I will see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.